Hi guys, it's Colette, and today for New Year's Eve we're going to be working on this black and silver glitter design. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, I'm going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Peely Base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my base color today, I'm going to be using Zoya Trixie. Once I've got my base color applied, I've got two kinds of glitter, a black and a holographic silver. I'm going to be starting with the black and using Zoya Naked Glossy Seal as the adhesive. I want something that doesn't dry too quick so that we can keep it wet and sticky while we're applying the glitter, obviously. And I'm going to work about 2 nails at a time and paint pretty much down the center, leaving some silver at the sides. We still want that to be able to peek through. But basically laying a track for the black glitter. Then I'm going to be using a silicone tool to apply it with and kind of almost stamping it on, picking it up with the tip and then kind of just applying it on like that. If after your first pass there are any places you feel like need more glitter, just add a little bit more top coat or clear polish and add more glitter. And now I'm going to move on to the silver holo glitter, and I'm going to apply this top coat right up the center of the nail in the middle of the black, making sure to leave some black on the sides without top coat. You don't want to cover up the whole thing, just make an accent. And I'm going to do that for all my nails. I went ahead and touched up with the silver like I touched up with the black, and now I'm going to finish with a couple coats of top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how this turned out. I wish that the holo showed through a little bit better for you guys, but unfortunately, even flashlight time wasn't enough to make this one shine for the camera the same way that it does in person. If you'd like to check out the extended tutorial, that will be up here on YouTube shortly. And this is actually the second glitter manicure that I attempted for New Year's this year. And the first one irritated me so badly that I decided not to edit the tutorial. I did upload the live stream archive if you want to check that out, but it just was such a disappointment. It wasn't a bad manicure, it was just a disappointing manicure, so I feel like I redeemed myself with this one. I'd love to hear what you guys think down in the comments, and if you enjoyed, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.